Please stand by for this important promotional announcement. Howdy, partners! Do you want a rocket that flies just the way that manatees don't? Well, you need a rocket from the Flying Manatee Rocket Corporation of America. We make rockets that'll fly just like a manatee would if it did fly, but doesn't. You need to call now, partner, and get yourself a Flying Manatee rocket today. This is our latest model, the Kethane Prospector. It flies just like a manatee doesn't, and it will land on Minmus and collect your Kethane. So call now, 1-800-MANATEE. That's the Flying Manatee Rocket Corporation of America. Y'all take care now. Okay, as you can see, I've kind of moved ahead on my Minmus plans. This is sort of a explorer/extraction craft. The bottom part here is extracts Kethane and acts as a landing pad for this top part here that goes around and explores and finds the Kethane to begin with. So it's capable of moving around as it wishes. So it goes, finds a new patch of Kethane. This part finds a new patch of Kethane. This part follows up, refuels it, and then it just goes on. Okay, give me a shadow. Shadow, please? Oh, there's a shadow there of some sorts. Okay, touchdown. I apparently don't have ground scatters turned on, so let me go ahead and turn those on, and I'll be quick save first of all, and I'll be right back. Greetings, humanoids of the internet. My name is Bob, and this is episode 46 of Journey into Space. This thing is quite a lag festival. I'm glad I didn't have to try to record during most of its flight. And I'm going to have to move it out of the way when I come to land the base, because I mean it is a lag festival. Whoa, my eyes! Let me explain a little bit about the. This is the Kethane Prospector. The top section here is which has a docking port at the bottom to match up with the docking port on this landing pad thing here. The top part is just basically a Kethane detector. Go ahead and turn it on and see if I'm actually on a spot here. Nope, I'm a little bit off. Where am I? Over here somewhere? Okay, well this will give us a good test. We'll go looking for something. Okay, well let's turn that off, because we're not. I know that we're near some Kethane, but we're not on a Kethane, apparently. Anyway, oh, let's go ahead and unfurl the panels, because the converter, the Kethane converter, requires some electricity, as well as the spacecraft in general. Okay, so here we have a little probe, basically just a Kethane detector, electrical power system, which I probably ought to turn on. And it runs on RCS. And it's got these little landing legs, and that's pretty close to being it. Not a whole lot to it. It's got lights, so I'll turn some lights on. Okay. So it goes around and tries to find Kethane. And whereupon, once it's found something, the big ship goes over to where it's found Kethane and extracts it. It's got a Kethane extractor, Kethane converter, and a Kethane tank, as well as room for extra RCS tanks to store RCS in. And speaking of which, I probably need to transfer this RCS into the probe. Did I do my usual greeting this time? I don't remember, honestly. Let me see. Okay, I did. Okay. And I need some more juice in that. You guys don't need to watch this. What am I doing? Okay, RCS all transferred. Let's hit F5. And then, let's undock. Okay, SAS on, RCS on, and liftoff. That's pretty nice. Yeah, nice and easy. Okay. And with any luck here, I will find some Kethane relatively close. So I know this is a place where I detected it previously. Or very near the place, put it that way. Okay. I need to not use RCS for turning. That's a bit much. Okay, let's get hooking. Okay, I haven't had much luck, so I'm going to go ahead and over here in this little bay here, I'm going to go ahead and land. Wrong way. Because I'm starting to run low. Up. Up. Starting to run low on RCS. And I'll bring up the big ship. Slow up there, buddy. Yep. No, we don't need a crash, please. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay. Oops. Okay. I think we make it. Maybe. Uh-uh. Okay, well that was pretty bad, but we made it. Let's go ahead and turn this puppy off. I'll go ahead and bring up the Big Bertha here, and we will continue the search. Okay, this is a program about spaceships. It's not a program about prospecting. So what? Apparently the location where I thought the Kethane deposits were, they're not there. And the Prospector doesn't have enough we don't have enough RCS here to fuel the Prospector. So if I were to continue to look for these mythical Kethane deposits, I'd have to use this thing, which is like trying to fly around a 3-story building. So what are we going to do about that quandary, you may ask? You may well ask. You may well ask, what are we going to do about that difficult situation? What we're going to do is we're going to cheat. Jen here. Thank you very much. This is a little debug unit you can use to do little things like, create Kethane wherever you happen to be. Yes, I know it's cheating, and I don't really give a damn. Oh, look at that. We have Kethane. Okay. Yes, this is a program about spaceships. It's not a program about mineral prospecting, so let's go ahead and get the show on the road. Okay. What kind of reserves do we have here? We got 2 million liters. Okay. Okay. I'm a-drilling. The drills are just hanging down there uselessly, like they're don't really have a plan for their life. Any way I can get that to go down deeper? Maybe? Okay. Okay. Let's try this then. Deploy drill. And deploy drill. Okay, now we've got some Kethane going. Alright. What I'm going to do is I'm going to attach to my giant donut station in space um, a um, a heavy-duty Kethane converter with solar power. I'm dropping that there as a marker, so that when I move on from here, there'll be some way of telling where this stuff is. And of course, it just sits there on the solar panels. Let me try another one. Oh, now it's flying. Oh, that's good. Okay, much better. Well, I didn't even turn the lights on anyway. Let's try this again. These things are little markers intended to show when I come into land later on to show that yes, this is where the Kethane is, and that's just sitting on its solar panel too. It's sunk into the ice. That's good. That's special. Oh, and it's bouncing around. And it's gonna go roll into the drill. That's good. It's special. Well, I suppose I ought to, yeah, extend my solar panels, huh? Since this process does use electricity. Whoa. Okay. Well, it's going to take a while for me to drill up this Kethane, apparently. And I will let you know when something interesting happens. Okay, next time I've got to add more of these minor things to my spacecraft because it's taken forever. I started this thing minding. I went and watched Kurt J. Mack's newest KSP video, which was hilarious. There's nothing, you know, there's, I have to say it, there's nothing quite as entertaining as a total klutz at KSP. I mean, yeah, here we are doing all this stuff, and you know, I have to honestly say I'm actually pretty good at this game. Kurt, God bless him, is not, but he's just freaking hilarious to watch him. he as he lost control of his moonlander near the moon, inches from the moon, he said like a glove. He's like, oh shit. So actually, honestly, I may not be bad enough at KSP for my own good. Yeah, I laughed so hard I damn near choked. Damn. So anyway, we are still mining. We are still converting. Looks like we finished doing monopropellant. That's good. We'll do liquid fuels next. Yeah, I'm not nearly bad enough at KSP for my own good. Just that made it was just a comedy of errors. It was hilarious. But anyway, we're still trying to get this Kethane tanks filled. Sorry. Once I get the base down, I'm going to I'm going to create sort of a freighter craft, sort of a combination of passenger ship and Kethane freighter. And I'm going to have to put probably about like 6 of these damn miners on here if I don't want to spend forever trying to mine this stuff. But that's for future episodes. Okay, well, we'll let it finish doing its thing, and I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, well, at least the drills work when you time compress, so that's a good thing. Otherwise, it'd take freaking forever. Okay, let's subtract these. Let's see if we can get the probe over here so we can get it refueled, and also get this both of them somewhere away from our our base area. Let me see if you got Kethane here too. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna call this Cheater's Bay because I cheated to put Kethane here, and it's a bay of sorts. Yeah. Cheater's Bay. Okay. Now, with any luck, we'll have. Oh shit! We barely have any monopropellant left. I hate to have to bring that sucker over, but we probably don't have a choice. Because driving this thing is like driving an apartment building. Okay. It's over that way. Let's do a quick save. Okay. Let's use some RCS. Frack me. Yes, Robert Dodd, builder of flying manatees, of which this is a prime example. Have your flying manatees built by Robert Dodd. That's kind of a weird shadow. I can't think of what that reminds me of, but something bizarre. Some kind of jellyfish or something. Uh-oh, my shadow disappeared. That can't be good. Okay, well I sort of kind of cut the distance in half. Hopefully that'll help. Okay. Whoa, 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 no, 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 no. I did not mean that happen. Alright, what's my... my drift? If I can catch my drift. Okay, let's put her down. Boink. RCS, SAS off. Okay, now we hope... Whoa, okay, nope. Nope. Yes. Okay, now we hope that we can get over there. Okay. Oh, wrong way. Oh, wrong way. Whew. It's going to be real iffy as far as whether I can do this. Don't. Do not do that. What the hell is your problem? Nope, 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 nope. Okay, let's get up. Let's get some altitude. Something bad happened. Okay, now I've got to figure out what direction I need to tilt. Oh shit. It'll stop rotating. Okay. Why are you not... Oh, because you're in fucking docking mode, asshole. Nope, 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 nope. There. Okay. Okay. Okay, this probe may be a lost cause at this point. I'm very doubtful that I will have enough juice to get it anywhere. Okay. Well, that's that. So much for that probe. Boink. Oh, when the landing goes off. Booyah. Okay, well, This will be sort of another indicator of where the base is. Oh, is the kethane still out here? Yep. Okay, well now this is a permanent fixture, part of the fixture of the permanent part of the fixture of the landscape. Yes. This guy has to get out of here because he's just a lag festival looking for a place to happen. So I'll just sort of send him off somewhere. We'll send him on a suborbital hop to the other side of the sea here. Okay. Next up, I'm not probably not going to show you this because it's probably going to be dead boring. I have to figure out whether it's more weight effective to carry kethane as cargo or fuel. Now, part of that depends on the converter. I'll be able to get the big industrial size converter. I'm thinking about attaching that to my space station. So I'm going to do a test with the big industrial size converter, see if with that it's more efficient to carry kethane than it is to carry fuel as a cargo. Okay. And then we will design our freight carrier accordingly. Because they're going to have a sort of a tramp freighter type deal that's going to carry people and people to Minmus and kethane or fuel back to low carbon orbit. But I got to figure out whether it's going to be more weight efficient to carry kethane or to carry fuel. So I have to do a scientific test. And then after that, we are going to land our base on Minmus, and then we're going to land our our tramp freighter type spaceship on there, and bring some colonists over, and also take some kethane or fuel to orbit, to Kerbin orbit. And I will let you know when something interesting happens. Okay, we got this stored away here somewhere where it's not going to cause lag to my colony. And now I've got to go do some scientific experiments. Science! This is my scientific apparatus, and it exists for one simple reason, to find out whether it's more weight efficient to carry kethane as a cargo, or to go ahead and just convert it into fuel and carry the fuel as cargo. If it's about equal, I'll probably go ahead and carry kethane, but we'll see. This is also one of those heavy-duty computer converters. It weighs 4 mass units, so it's not the sort you probably want to carry on a ship unless you got a really big ship. But I'm going to put one of these on the space station probably, and so I can convert kethane to fuel. So, and these rockets here are just to empty this fuel tank. Alright, let's launch it. Let's extend the platform. And it's nighttime. We need sunlight. Alright, that should work. Okay. Let's turn on our detector. Go ahead and roll this on out. Now I wonder where I can find some Kethane. Excuse me. Okay, easy now, easy now. Easy, 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 easy. Okay. I wonder where that could be. Gosh, it's a big planet out here. No telling where I could find some Kethane. Well, gosh, I just don't know. Okay, steer please. I would like you to turn. Come on. Okay. Unfortunately, I didn't really give it a whole lot of thought to how I'm going to steer this bitch. I guess that'll work. Okay. Let's hit the brakes. Whoa, 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 dudes. Okay, uncool. I guess we're going to cheat. Yep, we are going to cheat. Thank you very much. Well, what do you know about that? All right. Deploy, 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 deploy. Oops, that one, that one's upside down. Let's subtract that one. That looks kind of crude. Let's see. That looks like that could interfere with the solar panels. Let's not deploy that one. Deploy, 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 and deploy. And deploy, deploy, and deploy, and deploy. Okay, well, let's extend the solar panels because we're going to need some power. Extend. Extend that. Extend that. And extend that. Alright. Science! Even with all these drills running, it's still pretty slow to fill up. Really. However, it does work with time compression, so Maybe I should undeploy those. Okay, about ready to do some science. Science. It's not looking very stable. Of course, it's not really going anywhere, so. Okay. Now I can retract all these drills. Retract. 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 Oh, these are drilling into the tank here. Retract that. And retract that. Okay, all drills are retracted. There is no more Kethane coming into the system. Now this part's going to be a little iffy. I'm going to try to do it with care. I'm attempting to drain this tank. Okay. Now that fuel tank is empty. Shut those engines off. Okay. We got 4,000 units of Kethane. This tank weighs 1 mass unit. Okay. Hold on, I'm taking notes. Okay. 1 mass unit, 4,000 units of Kethane. And this is the heavy duty okay. Convert fuel and oxidizer. That's pretty cool looking, really. Those heat sink. That's pretty awesome. Okay, why don't I restart this when I have some results? Okay, there is a bug in the converter. I'm down to 0.10 kethane, but I'm still converting fuel. So unless there's some like lag in the converter itself somehow, um, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense, that is a bug. However, even before the kethane got that low, it was already pretty clear that kethane is going to be more weight effective to carry than fuel, because this carries uh, more than equivalent to one of the uh, small fuel tanks. Now, small fuel tanks weigh like 2 mass units each. So any way you look at it, even without this peculiar bug, it's more efficient to carry kethane. And of course, with this bug, it's extremely efficient to carry kethane. Yes, so I should have gotten at least 400 liquid fuel and about 400 oxidizer out of this, which, let's go ahead and stop this. It's just going to keep on going until it's full. Go ahead and end this flight. Okay, so this carries the equivalent of at least 400 fuel and oxidizer, and it weighs 1 mass unit. This, oops, uh, that, oh wow, that's even less than I thought. I thought that was more like 400. That only carries 180 liquid fuel, 220 oxidizer. It's got a total mass of 2.25. So carrying kethane is more than twice as weight efficient as carrying fuel. So that answers my question. So our freighter is going to be carrying kethane, and I'll have a big converter like this stuck to the space station to convert it into liquid fuels. Okay. And I discovered a bug apparently in this big converter here. But that's cool. Okay, well I guess that's about all we have time for today for this episode. Next time we are going to be landing or we're going to be building and landing our base on Minmus, and then we're going to be building a freighter to shuttle back and forth between Minmus and low carbon orbit, carrying people and kethane. So until next time, hasta la vista, adios.